We've got a very interesting session from fund experts. We have Mr. Anurag Sabu, who is the co-founder and director at Fund Expert Fintech. India's one of the leading wealth management software providers. He comes with a huge experience. He has worked in different companies and industries. So he is a product of IIM Bangalore and also IIT Chennai, where he was one of the he received the gold medal from Dr. Manmohan Singh, the then finance minister at that time. Very good at academician, and he has also completed a CFP, CMT, which is Chartered Market Technician, Certified Financial Technician. I think he's done many courses, which will all be very useful. And he's going to speak more about his product and the platform. Welcome you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sundaram, for the kind introduction. So, good afternoon, friends. So, I'll just share my screen and then I'll take the presentation forward. Yes. Please let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. So welcome to this special webinar by Fund Expert Fintech. So I hope the topic, as you have seen, how MFTs can and have scaled using Fund Expert. So this is something which I want to share. So my introduction already has been done by Mr. Sundaram very well. So I'm from IIT, IIM background, one gold medal, as you can see from documents. Worked over 24 plus work experience in different kind of industries, but primarily I came from finance domain because of IIM Bangalore, and I was majored in finance. So and I acquired virtually all possible certifications which you require to practice or advise this field, like CMT, CFP, CFT. So did that, and virtually all kind of NISM examinations I cleared, whatever is required to understand or and this profession in great detail. So basically I came from that background, and with this kind of a background, naturally it's a few years back, almost like 11 years back, I started my first major company, and and that was Fund Expert. So just a second. Just connect. Yeah. So I started our first company, and it's called Gumshan Lab Software Solutions. So our major product that was first company started way back, almost 11 years back. So that was, and first major product which we have there, which we use to which we still we provide to large financial institution. We build a state-of-the-art enterprise digital portfolio management platform. This was a little ahead before Robo Advisory and all came. So build that, and we build it, and then we have a lot of customers. So we won a lot of recognitions and awards for that, thanks to the product quality. So Gumshan Labs was rated as among the top fintech companies of India. We got one from recognition of Barclays, Village Capital, Thomson Reuters, and our product today is being used by some of the large B2B clients like Stock Holding, Edelweiss, Bajaj Finserv, Kotak Wealth. They all use our products and solutions in their various kind of services they provide in this financial wealth management domain. So while we're building the solution, we have BSC Star was our integration partner when we were trying to connect for mutual fund integration and all that. So that's where we came to across, and we the head of BSC Star, who was there that time around 3 years back, he 2019 it was 2 years back, he said, why don't you build something for smaller and medium advisor segment? And then we started looking at that, at what can we do for financial professionals across India who actually provide a lot of valuable services to their clients. So we started looking at that, and and this was the place where we had met. This was the event at which this idea of Fund Expert Fintech was born. This was March 2019, and and you can see this. I am still part of National Fintech Committee of FICCI. We were organizing this Pickup Fintech conference where all the top there a lot of leading fintech or a lot of leading banks and all were there. The people whom you see in the webinar are some of those people. They are some of the top names in this sector. They represent heads of different banks and all. They are all standing with me. And here is the occasion where I came across this idea, and they came to us and they said, "Why don't you do that?" So we started looking at the what a financial professional who is working as a small company or medium-sized company or on his own do come across, and what kind of problems or things he's facing. So we realized that the industry is growing very large, very rapidly, but the financial advisors actually were suffering. They were not scaling up, they were not growing that rapidly. And they realized what was different, what was differentiating between them to other fintech companies who are growing like a neck break speed. And overall the market is also growing. The the AUMs were doubling and all that was happening, and growth of the participation is happening. But why is not happening with financial advisors? Then we realize that where these bigger companies outscore the smaller advisors was of the quality platforms which these companies had, which can scale up their operations, reduce the customer acquisition and operation cost, and reach out to all the customers in one click, send details, app notifications, all modern tools available. So they were capturing the share of the wallet of the customers because of their digital power and digital platform they had. So we realized that financial advisor, they had some kind of tools and back office, which most of them were back office softwares, which were enabling them to do their work, but they were not really bringing a digital personality of a financial advisor to a customer. So without an access to a similar quality, high quality digital platform, the advisors were losing out on the growth, on the cross selling, on the rapidly increasing number of products and services which were coming in the market. They were not able to scale up to provide all of them to their customers, because that needed a larger team, and they were smaller advisors. They needed so they needed some kind of tool or platform which can do all this and do it very efficiently. So that's where we saw this opportunity, and we built this company called Fund Expert Fintech, and we came out with a solution called Fund Expert. So at Fund Expert Fintech, what our aim is, we help small and medium-sized wealth advisors to serve their clients better and grow powerfully through our automated digital platform. So here is the solution which we built, which is called Fund Expert, which is an automated digital multi-asset wealth management platform. So this is what it brings, the power of all these products and services, whatever was required to grow a digital advisor or advisor to grow into a digital advisor. So first, it brings an advisor an online digital identity, a very much a requirement of today's times, where your customer wants to reach out to you on a click, on 24/7 through an app or through a service, and then they want a real-time access to you through or their data, and they want through a digital identity of yours, because you can't reach out personally for each and every customer. So you want to scale, so you need a digital online identity, which this platform provided by being a multi platform kind of thing, available on web, available on app, available on iOS, available on Android. So it's that kind of a real-time digital identity it provided an advisor. The second thing what it does is automates the entire management, reporting, monitoring of the client accounts, which is required, so that if you can scale up this entire, automate this entire process, then that leaves you much more time to focus directly in engaging with your customers, in doing real stuff, in advising them and giving your personalization touch, which is where you outscore all other robo players or tech players, which you can easily beat them only if you had enough time and to scale there. And that comes because of the automation which the technology platform provides. It automates all these kind of managing and monitoring across different kind of products and services. Second, the third thing what it did was it gives an access to an advisor a complete range of financial product and services inside his own app. So that means if a customer needs a product and service, he does not have to go anywhere else. Entire thing is available in the same app, which also provided him mutual funds, stocks, insurance, virtually anything the customer needs. The product and services should be available in the advisor app, which this provides, which means that the customer now does not go and start looking for a solution elsewhere, because if he did, then you will end up losing the customer, because once he goes away to looking for a solution somewhere else because you don't provide it, chances are the other platform or other service provider will also start providing all other services to him, and you lose out on the customer. And that also we wanted to make it in such a way, in such a scalable way, that without losing control of your customer, without spending or increasing your team size, you are able to manage large number of products and services through the same platform, thanks to the technology integration the platform provide. So this is what is the product offering of FundXpert all about: a complete automated digital multi-asset wealth management platform for today's financial professional to reach out to his customer and to to scale up his business. But we also knew that when we are building this platform is going to be a costly affair, because managing and a technology of platform which is so complicated with so many different things, it will be a costly solution. And that's what we didn't want to have, because a solution like this can be afforded by large players, and they do that. They pay us huge amount or figures to get this kind of services on a large scale. But how can you make a solution like this affordable, or even better possible to for small advisors? So here we came with another innovation idea from our side. We came with a solution. We said we'll give you the solution at a zero cost. The zero cost solar platform solution gives you ability now to any small advisor, a person who is just starting out to a person who is having a decent size AM, to scale his quality advisory through technology, get to a larger business size and satisfied user growth and business growth, and as well as earn additional revenue through upselling and cross-selling opportunities because of the new products and services available in the platform. So your earnings goes up, your ability to serve your customers goes up, and your entire offering to your control over your customer also increases to that extent. So that's what we thought. We here will combine what we call is your touch and our tech in this platform, so that we combine both, and that becomes a much more powerful offering compared to anybody else who provides a financial advisory or services in this domain. So that's why we thought this is the ideal way to position it. And now and then obviously your question will come, and it's a very natural question to come: how can a platform which manages so many stuff, which has so much of cost of management, which will definitely be there, with so much of technology, so much of technology team, so much of support team, so much of management, servers, hosting, deployment, maintenance, upgrades, how do you maintain a platform, or how do you manage it at a zero cost? So that's where this idea all about is. How do we do that? How do we manage all the costs and everything? So we made the platform to pay for itself. And how do we do? That's where the next innovation became. So we are not only bringing it as zero cost, we are saying now the platform is going to pay for itself, and that's how it's going to reach out and make a difference for that. And how does that happen? That's a very straight and forward kind of integration we did. So what we did was we built a lot of third-party products and services into the platform, which you can provide them to your customers. Obviously, you have abilities to choose the kind of services you want to provide among so many services in the platform. You can choose that depending on all that, and then you can those product services, once they sell, they in fact, this platform starts paying you back much more than it cost for you to pay for the platform. So basically, the software charges of the platform are paid out through the payouts which are generated from the platform for the extra third-party services. From there, you can recover the cost and make this happen. So that's where this idea made it possible to offer such a large, versatile platform as a digital platform to the advisors. And that is not a dream or a project or an idea, because it was 2 years back. It is more than 1 year now down the line. We have live IFAs on the platform using it, benefiting out of it, and now this platform pays for IFAs much more than they probably pay for the platform. So that's where this platform has grown and come to that extent, and I'm so proud and happy to present this platform in front of all of you. Now, when we started almost 2 years back, 1 year back, we beta launched it. BSE did a lot of pilot runs and send out circulars. We made a lot of IFAs signed up for the platform, and over 1,000. I'm so proud to tell you that over 1,000 plus IFAs have chosen this platform last 1 year, and they have enjoyed using the platform, they have benefited out of the platform, and their success stories is something I'm also going to share you in another 5 minutes time. So they have made so much benefit out of it that they, because of the benefits they suffered, they got from the platform, they have made Fund Expert the most appreciated MFD platform in India today, with a Google rating of 4.6 on 5, which is much more than our next any competitor or any back office platform today enjoys in the entire industry. And with awesome reviews, which you will love to read yourself on Google Play Store. You can go and you can check out how MFDs themselves have gone out of the way and posted those reviews to explain how much they have benefited out of it. And I will share you some of those stories which have come out in this 1 year from this practice, and which have made this happen, and how it has made and transformed life of people and made them grow much more. So here are some of the stories which I'm bringing you from different corners of India. We have on the right side, on the left side, Mr. Dinesh Singh. He comes from the Kanpur. So now, if you see, and he writes something extremely beautiful about us on Google Apps. So what he when he was a really not a very old IFA. He was a fresh IFA, almost few years old kind of thing, and he was looking for a platform to scale, but he could not afford to pay for the kind of fees for the platform. So he used the platform to, and I'll just show you what kind of benefits he got out of the platform. So I'll just take you to the Google App Store, I'm sure, and I'll show you what he has written. I'll just search for Mr. Dinesh. It will say, so here is, see, this is just to show this is Fund Expert, and this is more than app. We are 4.6 rated, you can see, and all ratings in here. And this is what he writes, Mr. Dinesh Singh, whose photo I showed. First of all, thanks for that. He wrote on 13 June in 6 months time. So somewhere in December, somewhere he came on the app, and in 6 months time, and this is in that period, there were lockdown in that period, there were lots of stuff, and India is going through a bad phase, but he quadrupled his AUM to 4 times in the 6 months. And what he said, without the app and the software, it was impossible for a new FFD like me who likes to work independently. Support from RMT awesome. Whenever I approached them, it was sorted out. He wanted new features and he requested them and he got them. So it gave permanent solution to issues, and it made his life much easier and much better. And I'm just reading out some selected. Obviously, there are lots of things you can read out, and we have written, you can check, these are all genuine ones. We have written ARMs and the thing, and you can see that innovative solutions. So people from all part of India have written all great kind of reports and reviews about us. So like intended service, this and kind of thing, because they were able to scale and grow like anything. Now let me share you the second story. The first story, you got it, a new IFA comes on board and it's quadruple A. So let me show you the second. So here is the second family. He is Murthy Investments. They are from Gujarat. It's a family, lovely family, you can see. So when he came on board, his app was not working, his web was not working. He needed a personal digital identity to stand out, because Gujarat being a very much an investor domain, a very competitive domain, he needed a personal digital identity. So he came to us and said, I need an app called Murthy Investments, and we gave him an app. And thanks to that app and the digital identity which he got out of Fund Expert app, he was able to grow his business to another level in that. And this is what he writes. Let me again take you back. Sorry, I'm switching back, but I'm just searching. So this is, see, this he wrote in March. Obviously now it's much fine. He was using 1 month, really user friendly compared to other, because he had used, and he comes from a lot of experience. He had used multiple software. Overall experience is very good. Software is very nice, and have have multiple products like mutual fund, stocks, mutual fund, insurance, fixed income, all, and they are both working properly, and they take feedback. And then he said the support is also excellent. So basically you can see that I'm just reading out. And then here is Mona, again a person who came and took again an app and from us and said, great job, this app is very important, helpful to business in this pandemic situation. This is right on 7th May. Too much effort is taken in financial FE team in financial advisory business. I never saw this support in my 10 years of journey. So you can understand, and these are real guys out there. They are part from the same community of in India-wide financial transactions, and so they themselves are getting written, and we keep on adding new services to them. So this is what we did and transformed him by giving him a digital identity. Here was the second case. And here is a third case. Now this gentleman comes from, you can see, he comes from a rural place. It's a very small town, Ranaghat from Orissa, and he was struggling there to garner AUM for mutual fund and things like this. It was very new age products. But he found that through our platform, he can offer other services also. So he started offering stock broking services, demat services through our platform, through our app to his customers. And today I'm so happy to tell you that and this is just started in January. He started offering them. By March, his monthly income from just the brokerage revenue which we share with our with the advisors who use that, he generates income of last month. Is a monthly income initially was somewhere 3,000, 5,000, 9,000, and last month he's crossed 11,000 something, and this month before that and last month it has crossed 20,000 something. So just based on that revenue on a payout itself, he's making a 20,000 rupees per month kind of revenue a month. And now that just to multiply, that's a 2.5 lakh rupees of additional revenue over and above his revenue from which was coming from mutual fund business. So the base, because there are extra new third party products and services integrated in the platform, and which comes with additional advantage, like all these third party integrations which we do, we ensure that the product or service providers are those kind of service providers who never take away any of the customers. In fact, with the brokerage partner and all that, we took a return undertaking that they will never ever approach. And this was the only and first and only brokerage ever in India, house in India, who could give that undertaking in writing that he will never ever approach any of our financial advisors customers for any business other than the brokerage service whatever is doing. So that this is totally ensured that the data privacy, the security, the access is totally under the control of the advisors, and nobody, even in fact even the third party product providers also don't encroach upon it. And they ensure that his earnings are now going to be sustainable permanently. He's not going to wear that, today I'm building business, tomorrow what will happen. And he can build his business and this is just a start, and tomorrow his business can go to the way he's going, it will end up going to another level the way it seems. So these are some success stories I've taken out of so many IFSs, because you should actually go and read the Google review where 250 plus reviews are there, where so many large audience have written. I've just taken some 2-3 out of that and showed you some of the ones, but you can go and read, and across India. I mean, it's like maybe I'm sure there are some from Chennai, so I'll just read. Yeah, Mr. Kalyan Krishnan, he's from Trivandrum, so you can see excellent. This was all the best, keep it up. Or I think Mr. Suresh is from Chennai, so see, this is Mr. Suresh. Very powerful application, very powerful, will benefit all from one-stop shop. So these are all people from all over India who are telling their how much beautifully he wants, how much Mr. Nagaraj Gupta, Mr. Shanawaz Hussain. So you can see all these are all IFAs from all over India who has made us the #1 ranked platform in India today. So this is what. So and you can keep reading this. This is on Google, so I'm not taking anywhere. You can just go there, Google, write Fund Expert app, and you can see what people write. So let me, and more than important, see, wonderful platform. Above the tech, the service exceeds the expectation. So this is what we promise and deliver. It's not just about the product. It also comes along with the kind of support and service which you need when you're dealing with a high technology product like this. So, so we have made all this happen, and and that's why we now expect that we are now coming out and making it accessible and to more and more people and doing marketing, because initially we were soft in rollout. We wanted first initial few, initial 1,000 people to test it out. Now we are very confident. Now we know that it's a product and services, and it's a proven thing. And now we are rolling out to all over India, and that's why we started doing this kind of series of webinars. Now we had done this kind of some series last year along with BSC Star who were promoting us, and now we are doing this. And these are all you've already seen on the web store. I've just taken that, and we also won recently a recognition as one of the 10 most promising fintech financial technology startups in India because of our continued stride towards excellent innovation, which we build in this. So there is a reason why we are so, we, the distributors love us. They don't simply love us just because, it's the innovation features which you pack. And that's what, like, I like to show you what the product and features of the platform are. I'm sure you all will be also interesting to know. So I just clicked on Fund Expert Fintech. So I'm taking the website. So every information, everything is available on our website, where you can just click on product, and then product, you can see that. So one, like you already know, this platform comes in web and mobile applications. So it automatically is the quickest way to bring your financial advisory online and allow your clients to manage their investments without signing another piece of paper. So basically, how does it happen is you get a common label web mobile application. So we have Fund Expert is a common label app. It's not it is not owned by any advisors. It's a common label. So your advisors client get access to that. And these again an innovation built in that each one of you get a unique URL to access the Fund Expert application. So same application, but each one of you have a unique URL for both Android and iOS applications, which you can share with your customers. So whenever you can share anywhere, any person whoever downloads it from your unique URL, automatically when it logs in, when the app starts, after the initial launch screen, immediately your logo, your label, your app, your tagline, your message, your personalization starts coming in. So that's what happens. It gives you that kind of a customized look and feel to reflect the true vision of your business, the message you want to send to your customers. And the great thing about it, I'll show you how these are all, these messages, you can timely change them automatically, instantly make it changed and appeared in all different customers. You can instantly send these app notifications and make a customer, reach out different information you want. So you get a custom app link, and these app screens are branded with your tagline, logo, colors, title, and everything. You also get a what we give a standard template website with called yourname.fundexpert.net, which you can also link to your existing website if you have a login page and existing where people have done. So I'll show you some innovations people have done when they've logged in through that, and or you can yourself use that itself as a login as a full complete website to log in your customers and all that. So obviously they are, for those who are looking for more custom application, customized experience, you can even choose. We have a lot of white label application available. You can also get your own stuff. You get a full white label app in your name itself if you need that as the solution. That is also available as an option. And it's a completely paperless onboarding investment process with a completely automated data sync. It currently runs through BSE Star. It is also now we are now building the path through NSE. So it will basically be a virtual multi-exchange platform. You can just move from one exchange to whichever exchange you are more comfortable to work with in your back office and integrate it. It's paperless client onboarding with online mandates, video KYC, all built in inside the platform to make sure your in your KYC process, your onboarding is very seamless, and automated data sync with RTA to ensure that the data feeds automatically populate and show your holdings and portfolios seamlessly. The second great thing is it allows a lot of additional asset classes also come in. You can invest through stocks through that platform. You can invest through insurance on the platform. You can invest in your clients can invest in NPS, NCDs, capital gain bonds, sovereign gold bonds, RBI floating rate bonds. Basically, all kind of fixed income products, insurance product, gold products, stocks. Basically, different kind of virtually wealth, different multi-asset class. And this is just a starter. You're just bringing the increasing menu. Soon you will be able to do a loan through MF on the platform, and a lot of other things you will be able to do. P2P investments and so many things will come inside the platform, which will allow you to grow much stronger and much bigger and offer all this. So these are all available inside the platform, and each product and services which come in the platform, there is a payout which goes to you. So there is a monthly payout which goes to all our every month we pay out them. That's why we said the software pays out to the customers, not the other way around. Okay, so our suite of business solutions which are inside the platform has financial portfolio reports, client external portfolio with comes with a goal-centric financial planning, advisor choice thematic baskets, come with an admin panel with business analytics, CRM capabilities, sends app notification to users with a DNS and web space and RM assigned, and obviously with new product features added every week or fortnight. We say every month, which is every week and fortnight something gets added, and we have a very very super strong, probably the best in support. I would vouch for that. That is the probably best support system in the country. Not a standard traditional ticketing system is there, but much more fast forward way of we have very integrated with a WhatsApp to make it instantly solution for all kind of query which you raise in the platform. And obviously there are other kind of white label solutions and team management solution and multiple brand solutions. You can opt for much more higher versions of the products which will be, take you to enterprise level, because we also same our products when they are at an enterprise level, they're used by large brokerages or nationwide companies which have multiple branches. So we have all kind of facilities to grow it is into one thing. You can build if you need your website to be maintained by us, we can do that. You want to build a new website to integrate with all new kind of offerings which you are offering, we can do that. So we are complete a solution provider for all your needs, whatever you have for your platform. Okay, so that's where we come. Now I will take you briefly. I will have an half an hour session in the end to take all your questions. So I may not be reading your questions right now at this point, but I'll definitely take all your questions which I have probably missed out or I have not answered. There will be a time in the end where you will be free to ask all questions, and we'll do that. So now I'll take you the second part of the session on the platform. I'll take you through an actual tour of the platform. So I'll take you through. I've shown you the kind of the product and services what it promises. Now let me just take you through. I'll take you through that. And this is a generic. Now this is a generic one, but it can look anything. Like we customize this look, and if you look, this is a generic login. But for some guy who wanted to look like this, it probably looks this way. Okay, the same product and services. For some other person, it probably looks this way. So the look and feel and features and the thing, the way it looks can obviously be modified or changed. So I'll just take a demo solution, what I'm just showing, which you have, and then obviously we can do lots of stuff. And it's not that we can even for people who needed much more kind of different, like enterprise levels and things like that. Obviously we have kind of solutions and all kind of things. We can build virtually any kind of solution or any kind of customization as needed. So I'll just take you through a demo, through a look. So this is a demo. So when a customer logs in, this is like super users. So you have a super user login, and once you log in with as a IFA, you same platform. So this is your platform. You can search any fund of your choice, like or you can search for a fund, any fund, like you're looking for a fund. So search for a fund. When you search for a fund, it gives you immediately all the information of fund, minimum, maximum, additional purchase, the returns, AM, AUM, in the expense ratio. Then it connects you to that, shows you the fact sheets, and also gives you a fund fact sheet in detail. So if you click on this, it gives you a full featured fund fact sheet, thanks to the way it is integrated. And you can download this fact sheet and you can send it to your customers, or you can share it with them. So it's all available at a click here. And then you can see the scheme details also. If you just want to see here, the same sheet will change, and you can now see the scheme details in detail. You can see the all kind of detailed parameters, allocation, and all kind of risk and all kind of things, whatever you want to see. Also, we have the standard benchmark, what it goes with that. We also have some peer comparison, which you can look into that. So basically, you can see lots of information here. So this allows you, when you log in as a mutual fund product, but we have a lot of other products and services inside platform. This you have done as this you have logged in as an IFA. So obviously, when you log in IFA, you want to add a customer, you want to add an advisor under you, you want to list clients under you want to search a client under you. So you can do lots of things like that. So suppose I am just searching for a client, and I came across a client name. So if I click on that, the same, now I've logged into my client's portfolio. So in one click, I moved from my account to client's account. So now I can see client account. So when I'm in the client account, I can see what the client needs to do. Is any do they have to submit any documents? Is there any portfolio requirement to be done, or any kind of thing? So do I have to submit any document, or is my KYC? What's the status? Is there anything in the cart which I have put for the client? So these are the product services. Last time I can put for product for client, I can put them, and then he can place an order, or I can even place an order, then send him the order link. I can check what orders were placed for him, what was the last payment status of the orders, what was the transaction which happened on the orders. So I can see lots of stuff. So obviously these are mutual fund dashboard they begin with, but obviously we can go to other asset dashboards. So I can see what loans the customer has, what kind of insurance, stocks, mutual fund, all kind of services, whatever the customer. I click on the mutual fund, I can see what FP, what RD, what all different kind of products and services I can see. So I can see a multi-asset dashboards. I can see different kind of reports like capital gain, transaction, CLS, every portfolio. I can see all that. If I go to mutual fund dashboard, I can see more detailed view of the portfolio holding. So here I have some we have something very unique. We bring a 360-degree of the portfolio. So if you look at a portfolio, so if I reload the portfolio, you can see that I can see the internal and external. So we have two different views of the portfolio. I can see what the just reloaded just to show that we get two views of the portfolio. One is the internal and one is the external. So what happens is when I am in the internal, I will be able to see all the funds which I have purchased through my through the platform under my code or service or whatever. If I click on external, then I can also see whatever the customer has purchased from outside my platform. So I can see much more details of that, and then I can take account. And if I see those products and services, so I can watch on this platform not just mine, but even external. So I can get a full 360-degree view of what the client is having. Not only just bought through you, but through all other platform. I can watch through that. I can see them as a tab holding view, or I can go to a tabular view. I can see tabular view. If I want to do some ARN change kind of thing, I can just click here and do an ARN change kind of an operations and move those products or services which are external to my ARN. If I go to internal, then obviously I don't have to do any ARN. They're already running under my ARN. Here I can see the product and services, how they're running, what's their performance. If I click on here, I can do a buy more, redeem, switch, SWSOA. I can do all that. I can see timeline view. Timeline view tells me how the product and services were bought, when was what done. So it gives me a timeline view of that. Same product and services. And then I can see a holding view, which gives me a so this is like a timeline view. This was recent subscription, last it was done on this. So these are purchases, these are redemptions. So I can see a timeline view of how the product, how the customer has bought and invested in different products. So it gives me a lot of different kind of insights into that. Obviously, if I go to holding view, I can see more details about it. I can see the folio master of that. I can see the returns of that. I can also see the transactions of that. If I click on that, I can see the details in transactions. So if I if I go to external, probably there I can see some transactions which are much more detailed. So if I click on external and click on holding, so you can see some like it can just give me all the transactions, all the SIPs, all whatever has happened. I can see that. Okay. So all these kind of product and services can be built in inside the thing. Okay. So all these are there. You can see, and you can see a breakup of kind of equity to debt the person has. So he has mostly 18 and then 70% hybrid and 2% equity. So you can get an idea. Whereas with you in internal, the composition may be different. For external, the composition will be on different. So you can see the overall the different composition. You can see the table, timeline, holding, and so you go to asset. Once you have seen all this, you can also go to different kind of reports, or once you have seen through asset dashboard and seen different kind of reports, then you can obviously you can also see my family account. So here is a family dashboard. So if I log in, I can see all the family and each person of the family. Now this is a dummy account, so I just repeat see all the family members, their accounts, and then among who I've invested in that, and what is the amount they've invested. And I can go to their account also. I can click here and I'll go to their account and I can see that. So I can see a family view and family reports also I can get. So if I click on reports, it will take me to the family and then I can get family report. So it gives me flexibility to say family. Then I can see, I can compare funds. So this is this as a whatever I am doing it, my client also can do. I'm just showing you. I went to a client account. I'm doing this. If I share this login credential to a client also can log in and see all these product and services whatever I'm showing to you. So here you can, for example, you want to compare say Access long term equity, and say you want to compare with Mere asset tax saver. So, so here it gives you a comparison. So if you like, you can put both of them together and compare. Okay, this is the current thing. This is the size of AM. This is the expense ratio, and then this is the return. So okay, you can say it is 51. This will become 61. So 14, 3 or 19. So you can clearly see Mirror Asset on all 1 year, 3 year, 5 year has currently outperformed. So you can take a snapshot. You can add multiple like here. Then take a snapshot of this. You can send it across to your customer, and you can able to justify which product or services which you want to, which you want to offer, and it should be, he will be more interested in that. So you can use these kind of, tools or services to generate them. A client also can also see these kind of stuff. Then we have got something called fetch portfolio, where you can fetch your entire portfolio by writing your email ID, and your entire 360-degree portfolio cash will come from KFintech. You can just download a PDF and just upload the PDF, and that's all. This will auto generate that PDF, and once you get the PDF here, you will be able to see the entire 360-degree view of whatever the client holds. And then you will be able to figure out what is internal, what is external, and then you will be able to advise him much better as a finance person. Obviously, you can see all the running slips of the customers. If he is running anything, the cancel order which got cancelled, and the reasons why they got cancelled, the orders which are right now inactive, and that. If you are freshly created, then you will get an option to pay now and things like that if you have already not paid for. So an inbuilt online payment gateway system is there to make payments for all the investments. You can do that. Obviously, you can see goals. So you can set your goals. You can see your goals. So your goals will show you the goals which you have, how much you have achieved, and how much you have linked, and what you have linked. So, for example, you have a link of 5 lakh rupees. Currently achieved is 6%. So you need to achieve more. So, and where do you link? You can go to a mutual fund dashboard, and you link the goals to each one of them. So you can link your goals there. Then you obviously in save taxes, you can see ideas on tax saver funds and all that, and you can see that. And then there are SIPs which you do when you get free insurance, all that. Obviously in the mandates, we have online e-natch and natch mandates, which are online mandates. You can do it. E-natch is totally paperless. You just do it net banking and debit card. Natch mandate requires you to upload a signed copy of the mandate. So you can do a mandates, and then through the mandates, once you have done, you can do all the transactions of the customer on the platform. So registering mandates is very seamless and easier for you. Obviously, in the new NFOs, if you click, then it will show you the new NFOs which are running right now, and your customer can invest into that and all. We have also have a risk profiling section where you can take a risk profiling questionnaire with the customer and recheck his current risk profile is moderate. You can recheck his risk appetite time to time to update his, or you can use it to start doing asset allocation in line with the risk profiling which you're done. So we have an asset allocation tool which can help you to measure overall portfolio, what is the asset allocation as per the risk profiling, what is the running shortage, and how much product and equity or services will be required to bring it back in line with the same asset allocation. So that tool is there, which we can use it inside this to manage the asset allocation or understanding of asset allocation. Then we have this profile where you can edit your profile, and with your edit profile, your personal detail, your contact detail, your bank details, your everything is automatically and seamlessly built in here. In fact, if you go back to profile, everything gets uploaded. Once you upload the document, check, automatically you can see the entire form appears in front of you. Just submit the form, and automatically you're ready to invest. So it is just you need to upload a check and signature, and basically you are done. And then you can maintain nominee detail, your mandate status. You can check your mandate status, current status, whatever showing, and all that. Obviously, then we have got other product services like where you can see add. You can add stocks. You can use stocks. You can upload stocks from any part of the brokerage. You don't have to have a brokerage account with Fund Expert only. You can have brokerage account anywhere. You can upload those stocks portfolios in one click, entire NSDL or CDSL file, and this will read and show you the holdings. It will also show you live holdings if you are connected to one of the brokers who are connected to our platform. And then you apply for IPOs through platform. You can open a DMAT through platform. You have a help guide to help you guide through that. So we provide you a lot of these kind of extra services on the platform. Similarly, you can invest in capital gain, SGB, NPS, and all kind of stuff, all inside your platform. These are all you can just do in one click. So you can do insurance, you can do loans. So we have built a platform which can do. So if I click on login to myself, it will take me back to my own platform where I can search for another client. So suppose I just test it will give me all the clients who are in test name. So I can just search a client with a few clicks. I can search and I can see what kind of holdings he has. I can click on that. I can there's a CRM. I can connect that to CRM and then use it to send him time to time information and all kind of things. So this is a kind of a overview I took through a web platform. Now same thing. Now this is also connected through an admin panel. So if I click to go to admin, it will take you to the admin panel. Now first time when you're coming, you have to log in. So let me just log in for. So now when you log in the platform, you can see all the users who are there. You can search out any user based on any filter, on any kind of various kind of things. So it helps you to filter out. You can download the entire address details or on the entire data of the users. You can also see a dashboard of the user. So if you click on dashboard, you can see the overall how your investment is, purchases, redemptions, clients, earnings saved. These are just dummy accounts which we have created here just to give an idea. So different investment top areas, monthly snapshot. Obviously, you can get more details like user-wise, AIM-wise reports, or SIP-wise reports, or scheme-wise reports, or various different kind of reports, or the equity debt-wise reports overall. How is the portfolio? You can obviously get into a breakup of that. You click on that, it will give you a breakup of all that. So there are various things which you can play around into the platform of that. So similarly, you have SIP reports, STP reports, dashboards, overall dashboard, your monthly dashboard, your daily dashboard, your monthly MIS, your 3-day MIS. So a lot of MIS and a lot of information for you to figure out. A lot of business opportunity report where you have lock-in free opportunity reports in ELSS, SIP opportunity reports for customers who have not done SIP, ELSS opportunity for those who will fall short of 1.5 lakh. So a lot of interesting tools and things we keep adding and making it more and more interesting. A 3-day MIS to see what all has happened in your advisory in last 3 days. Then we have an external AUM also to check who has external AUM of what amount, and when is a good suitable time to move that AUM into your own under your own management. Plus, we have a video KYC detail where you can check if the customer gets stuck somewhere, whether other authentication is pending or something else is pending. Why is KYC not completed? You can completely track that from here. And obviously, you can download SOA and all kind of services with one click from the statement of account of the folio in one click from the platform. So for that, so these are your MIS. Then obviously it comes with a lot of leads, so portfolio valuation reports and things like this, which you can select. So if I just click and this like this, so basically what it will do, it will generate a portfolio valuation report, give me the total till date, give me breakup of individual holding wise, a complete summary of that, which you can download and as a PDF Excel, or I can send a mail to the customer. I can set up that. I can even schedule a mail. Suppose I want to schedule an automated mail. I can schedule a mail setup for that customer at for this customer. If I want to set up a mail, I can set up a mail that okay, every year a yearly report. If I click on this, every year or every month or every week, this report should be going to that customer. So I can set up, or every month, this date 7th, I can want to send this report. So I can set up all kind of automated mail services into the platform. So I can set up that. I can identify that. I can even check and do some kind of analysis to find out which are some rejected transactions and all that. I can also see family-wise reports here. Like if I go to family, then I know these are family-wise AUM report and family-wise, kind of understanding of all the customers. So I can click on that and see details of each and every customer. I can also again do the same thing. If I click on the customer, I can see that, and then I can download different reports of customer and their family members. So I can see, obviously, I can see a lot of valuable information from different things. I can also see my orders, whichever orders are placed, what is the current status, allotment was done, when it was done, what was the status, what was the time it was placed, when it was covered, what is the status, if something failed, why it failed, the reason for that. So it's a one dashboard which allows me to do virtually all these kind of things. Obviously, I can do various kind of things. I can log in to directly to my front panel. I can directly go from here to BSC panel. So I can do lots of interesting stuff within my platform, and I can see obviously a lot of detailed reports of various things, upcoming birthdays for telling me which are the new with the customers whose birthdays are coming up in the next week, next month, things like that. So basically, a lot of and obviously a lot of different utilities, if which are only you required if you want to manually do something. Otherwise, the entire system is automated. this section is basically only required mostly by our team and not by your end to do it. So this is just given to you in case you want to do something in you and you want to do it yourself at right now. Yes, you can go ahead and use the utilities. So this is how this entire admin and everything is there. And there is one very interesting feature where you can see my mobile app users. So my mobile app user basically shows you the actually name of customers who have downloaded your mobile, and you can send them app notifications. So you can select all those customers and you can send them app notification. It will go instantly those customers. So you can send them instantly real-time notification on the app. And obviously, and then you can do lots of interesting on the app. So now I have 5 minutes left, but I'll just take another 5 minutes. So in another 10 minutes, I'll show you how I can modify my app, my mobile journey to a mobile of view of the same app. So I'll connect through my phone. I use AnyDesk, and my phone is right now unlocked. So I just unlock my phone. So you can see I'm connected to my phone. Now I've gone to the home screen of my phone. So you are seeing my phone right now. I click on my word. Let me close the app and then just give it to you. So this is one extra app. I just opening that. So I'm connected to OpenExpert. My version is 3.0.88. So basically platform. So now once it loads in, connected. Now it shows you the demo I have in Rapid Investing. Yeah, welcome to Fund Expert. So I can get started. I can, I can log in with any customer ID or demo ID. So I suppose I log in. And instantly I'm just logged in onto mobile. I can see here also all the details about my SIPs, my AUM, and all kind of detail. I can also see my client, CRM, loans, stocks, insurance, calculators, business settings, all kind of stuff. And then if I want to go to a particular client wants to do, so go to business, I can see my dashboard, I can see the AO, overall AO. Then here I can see all the customers will get listed here. So I can choose the customers whom I want to. These are all different customers who are having AUM. So I can go to a particular customer, and then I can see the dashboard of that customer. So if I go down, I go to I just click on that. So if I click here, then I again see the overall portfolio of the customer. And then now I've gone into the customer account. So I can go to customer account and I can see all that. Obviously, I have a lot of service and facility. See, if I can see a portfolio, I can also see action. I can see all different actions which I can take on this, and and the action which I can take, on the platform on this kind of thing, transactions which I can do, and download SOA and all kind of stuff. I can also see overall. I can only see internal, external, all kind of thing. I can see with balance. I can download it. I can see category breakup of the folio, how much equity, debt, and all kind. So I can again see and get an asset view or allocation view of that, and then overall game of that, and then come back to this is like it says good afternoon Vanita because I am using Vanita's mobile account. So because I logged in, so I can, if I go to her service, you can see I can see news. So these are the facility your client gets. So when he uses this platform, he can see news, reports. He can see all kinds of reports which he can download, and he can see orders, mandates, family loans, NPS, bonds settings, and he can see various kind of things. So here also we give you a lot of interesting information on various things. Various you want to have news on tax, leadership, industry. Just click on that, and things will change in line with the latest news available on the platform. So we go back to policies. So these are policies, and for various things. So what government has done, what finance news have come, what are these are so all these kind of information are available. You can also subscribe to newsletter, all that. So basically, we make a lot of interesting kind of stuff. Obviously, there's insurance, so you can choose the kind of insurance you're looking for, or various kind of insurance or services on the platform. Obviously, if you go to view, you can see your details of the customer. You can also obviously submit your form because, or those things you can submit from here itself. You can do that. You can also invest and do various kind of, we have a lot of thematic baskets. So there is a feature where you can make baskets of your portfolios, like a small case of mutual funds. So you can make like that, and then you can make a baskets, and then you can make people invest in those baskets, or you can search for a mutual fund. And here you can do filtering on various thing. You can search it on categories, subcategories, option type, ratings. So on basis, on returns or on various kind of things. So you can just use that to search. So again, if you go to bonds, you can see gold bonds, capital account, RBI bonds. So all kinds of services are inbuilt inside the platform. So a kind of thing. But now if I just, so all the features and services which are there are available here. If I go back, then I'm going back to, as a client, I'm now back to my IFA account. This is my IFA account, so you can see all that. And now I'm back here. So if I, if I log out of the app, so now I'm outside app. I'm back to my home screen. And now I'll just show you that how I get. So I'm back to my home screen. Now this home screen, which looks like this, I can easily modify stuff like this. So I'm just, this is my admin panel, see demo IFA, welcome to Fund Expert, happy investing to everyone. This is what we have written. So I'm saying welcome to the special webinar. Happy, just say Onam, because, or some festival or whatever you want to say. You can change all that, and you can change all kind of themes. And just, I'm just saying everything whatever you're showing is basically on the fly, can be changed. So now if I change the color also, from blue, I just change it that. So I change all these kind of stuff. Now once I've changed, if I go back to out on reconnect, so again I'll connect back. Yeah, so now it's back. Connected back to my phone. So now if I open if I open again the Fund Expert app back, and I saved it, those changes. This entire thing is not changed in one click because I made these changes. We just made a changes. Whatever changes I do here, automatically, instantly changes in everybody's, all my customers out there. So I can put a new tagline. I can change the tagline every week. I can pass some special message, investing message from my side. I can do various kinds of stuff and surprise my customers with different kind of things. So obviously there are lots of things we can do. There obviously we got multiple themes. We got a white theme and modern theme. I showed you with modern theme, but you can have various kind of themes. These are all kind of things. So just now you saw an app which can be totally customized, modified, and obviously add up. So there are lots of unique things, and I'll take you back to my presentation. So I just showed you the features. So this is how different people have used their app. You can see now in the screen. Different people who different app looks like this. Their feel of the app, and you go to the app, you open the app, and this is how it changes inside. All the features and services from the app. You can go to the client list. There is a client list also. I could select all the clients from the list and go there. I can also see all the dashboard. I can see the different mutual fund details and services on the platform. I can see personal details. I can onboard a customer by filling all these details in one page and onboard him. I can see my advisor details. I can see these are thematic baskets like better than FT, better than. Click on that, it will give you choices of funds and services inside the platform. Then you have Smart Assistant. You can sync like say NSDL, CDSL, CAMS, CAS, all services inside the you can do that. You can search different products and services. You can also do a lot of insurance and insurance related subscription services. You can upload, you can add insurance which you can use it to track all kinds of insurance that you have. So a customer will have a lot of insurance products that can be used. This system can be used to track that. Okay. And then here is the entire portfolio and details. Now we have a feature called SOA. So if you click on SOA, like for example, this is SOA. Suppose I want to download Aditya Birla 101861. I click on SOA, and what will happen is, so if I click on the SOA, then that entire portfolio will start getting downloaded. So if you click on SOA, this entire thing, I was trying to make it fun. So basically, this will get downloaded. The entire the SOA of the customer, it will get downloaded from the app, and within a minute, you will get the customer's obviously the statement account which you can save. And once you save, and you can open that, and then you can see 10186 10626. If I click and open, it will open an SOA where Aditya Birla SOA will be there, and you can see all the details of the customer. So entire his investment and whatever he has done will be available. So here are some of the very unique things which you will only find in Fund. There's no other software in India which provides all. That's what basically it's. First, we are the only one to display, track, switch, and download the pre-filled change of ARN from your own portfolio for the funds which are not held by under you. So you can display that, track it, and switch them, and download a pre-filled change of form, all that. Then we allow you to auto-generate a cash statement of your customer in one click to get a cash statement generated, and then when you upload it, this you can track all the external funds as well. Then we are the only software which allows you to redeem or switch even direct plans. So if you have customers who have direct plans and you want to redeem or switch them to different product regular plans and all that, means different, redeem them, you can do that. You can switch them. Okay. So, and we are the only ones which allows you to download SOA from both CAMS and KFintech. Like I just showed you, I just downloaded one from CAMS and showed you. Then we are the only one which allows you to buy insurance policy for multiple companies. So I'm sure some of you already are doing with your existing companies, but there is no restriction. You can always continue to work with your existing companies or brokerage or insurance or whatever you have. But you can, whatever insurance you are not able to access directly, like there are companies which you may not be having code of or member of, you can buy all those insurance policies from your own app in one click. Like I showed you, you just click on that and it will take you the, I didn't get time. Obviously, this is not entire demo of the entire features in detail in the software, because my entire demo of all the feature software is 4.5 hours. So we have made 3 videos of 1.5 hours and people watch that. Or we do once in a month, a 3-day evening sessions to explain all the products. Here I'm just giving you introduction to each product services to just give an idea, and obviously you can always explore them in detail when you sign up for this, which is just a one step away. So we are the only software which allows you to custom edit your app, theme, color, messages in one step. You just custom edit here and it will appear accordingly. And we are the only platform we can directly reach the co-founder, which is me, on WhatsApp for anything you want to need to escalate 24/7. So in fact, when you come on board, I am part of your support group, special WhatsApp group. We help you with your RM to ensure that your onboarding is fastest, smoothest, very seamlessly you settle down and start using it. We help you onboard all your existing customers in one click here. You don't have to recreate any data manually, any portfolio manually. Entire business, whatever you're having, can be onboarded into a platform within 2 or 3 days. So without any effort at your end, entire my team will be helping you out and doing that. They will be working with you. So your work of migrating to a platform will be the most seamless possible. And then obviously we have in detail, we have a very great in-depth support channel with almost 40+ support videos and all that, which allows you to understand each and every aspect of the customer, of the usage of platform, and then you can use it and get an idea, and then that will help you to use any. You can learn it at your own pace, or you can take a one-to-one session whenever you want. Your RM is there with you all the time in the group. Set up a time and then understand each and every point, or learn as and when you use a new feature or service. So you can You can work the way you want, to be comfortable, and soon you will be you'll be able to use it to the maximum extent possible. So it's very simple to get started. You just have to, it's just a one click away. So you will go to fundexpertfintech.com. If you are there on the website, just click on sign up, enter your name, email, mobile, ARN, UI, and sign up. Or even if this is you find difficult to do, just as one template, then alternate is you can note these numbers and send us the detail, and we'll be very helpful. We'll be very glad to connect. You can mail us on Connect. You can WhatsApp us on this number. So this is the number which you have. This is my number. You can always WhatsApp me on this number and call me, or set up your, and it will get set up. You can call on the IVR. We have an IVR number. If you send a mail to Connect, you will get a standard ticketing system. If you you can directly sign up yourself, and entire process will move forward. And you can just and your RM will contact you and help you to come on board. So that's all about it. And that's in this nutshell. We have just told you as much detail as possible. And now I'm around here to take all your questions, whatever you need to ask. So let's. I'll just come back to the platform. So yeah. So.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
So yeah, thank you so much for the patient learning. So that was a brief intro to the entire thing. I'm sure you found it useful. So now I'm open to question. Yes, Mr. Sundrajan, now you can proceed.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. I think one of the exhaustive platforms I've ever seen. Thank you for patiently explaining us. And as you said, I think features are much more than what we are looking at. So there are some questions already on the chat box. Maybe I will read it for you. Maybe you can answer. And then if there are any further questions, people can unmute and ask. I think the first question
yes,
is,
sure.
Can you change your meaning a direct folio to a
your yeah, correct. So I can see the question, Mr. Padmanabhan. I can can we change direct to ARN? Yes, you can. You can change from direct to ARN. There is a very you can do it through the platform. But obviously in direct you can't have ARN, so you will have to because direct code cannot be a fund, cannot be part of your ARN. You have to be a regular one. So from direct you will have to do a redeem through our platform and then move to fund to your ARN, because your ARN your investment will change from regular, so you will need to do that.
Okay. I think the next question is on the fees. I think you said it's a zero fee model. Maybe you can elaborate a little bit more. It will be useful for all.
Yes. So the question is very simple. Zero fee, it works like this. We have the standard price of the software is 4,990. So basically, what we are saying is the amount of fees we pay out to you for using all the third-party services is much higher. For example, I just tell you the kind of fee payout for the insurance is much more than 5,000 every month. The kind of fee we pay out to some of the people who are promoting the brokerage services are more than 10,000 a month, and we are saying 5,000 per annum. So obviously that is less than 5,000 per annum is probably 400 rupees a month. And so 400 rupees a month is what you are paying us, and we are paying back you 4,000 a month, 5,000 a month, 10,000 a month. It's a regular thing. Every month, lakhs of rupees we are paying out to all the IFS for different product services. So it is not just zero cost. It's actually earning. It's an earning for your program. So that's what happens. Although, and we have still one more offer. If there are people who will say, I'm a very low AUM or something, you can first sign up, do that, and then pay from the payout if you want. If you are very low AUM and you don't have any earnings at all from any mutual fund also, and you think, where will I pay you even 5,000 also, if you have that problem. But I'm sure those who are having more than a crore AUM, I'm not sure they will have any problem. This is only, we give generally people who have a less than a crore, because then you are not earning sufficiently. So you may say, I will sign up, and then from the payout itself, you can deduct like 20% every month, and like that you can deduct. So we have those options also available. You can do that so that you don't have to pay anything. But if you are having more than a crore, then this offer obviously is not required for you. You can just sign up, and then you can pay for the platform, and then you can use it, and you will get paid much more than platform. It's a guarantee. You start using third-party services, by end of the year, we would have definitely paid you more than 5,000 rupees, whatever products and services you would have used on the platform. So that's what we are saying. If you open 4 NPS account a month, you get 400. So it's so simple. It's making a 400 a month is nothing on the plan. It's like
Sundar, you are on mute.
I'm on mute. Acha, Sundar.
Yeah, sorry. No, what I was
Okay, so
asking is, yeah, I got your point. Thank you. What I was asking is, so all the third-party products will not be under our code; it will be under the Fund Expert code. Is my understanding right? So that you will pay back a
Yes,
little bit.
third-party services, the advantage for you is you will not have to sign up for each and every services. See, we have a single point MIS. So in a single point MIS, probably I didn't show, but if time remains, I'll show. If you share my, if you see my, if I can show you my screen, I think my screen is still visible.
Yes.
Okay, so if you go and check, see, you can see the payout reports: insurance payout, DMAT payout, NPS payout, SGB payout, capital loans payout, RBI bond payout. So basically, it's a one place, one MI source for getting all your payouts and everything. And I'll just try to see if I have some payouts which we just recently paid to some of these are actual payout reports of. I've just hidden the client names. They show you different payouts. So all these payouts automatically happen through this one flow from. So you don't have to do reconciliation, MIS, nothing. This is example of a same IFA. February he started first policy. He made some 1,004 on 1,275 as the premium. In April you can see 3 policies. He itself made some 10,000 rupees premium as the earning, as the payout of that. So this was for then I'll show you. This is the brokerage. You can see first month one customer was doing some transactions, some small brokerage was there. Next 3 months his brokerage went to 6,000, and in May his broker cost 10,000. These are actual brokerage of each client account which he has opened. So all these are, and we give you very much detail. You can see settlement amount, TDS, when was settled, what was the date, NEFT, UTR. There's no firm or product provider which will give you details to that extent.
Yeah.
So we give you one place MIS, each and every tracking. You don't have to run around 10 different places. You don't have to reconcile. You don't have to worry whether that product, that provider has paid or not. It is our responsibility. One place, one shot, everything gets matched. So you don't have to worry about all the product services. Yes, but we do have higher white label solutions and all that, where there are some people who say we have a brokerage, relationship with some XYZ partner. So I want to continue the same brokerage relationship. Then in that case, we will allow you to have, we will embed that person's link, but then that comes under white label solutions on that, because then we have to make some changes in the code and solution and configure and customize. So some extra work is required for all that. So we do, so there are there, but basically the idea is that everything, then we will not have any control over the whether the broker is coming or not coming. We're just doing integration and just giving you one link and it goes there. Okay, so we have the complete thing. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So yeah. So I'll take the next chat. Yeah. Mr. Yeah, please.
So you are actually able to bring in data which is not invested through us also. So how is it possible? Is it at a panel you are doing?
Yeah. So we are using the CAS, which or NSDL CDSL. They have the entire data of the portfolio of the user that contains the entire PAN based all the data. So that we import that to upload it and check that.
Okay.
So through that we get all the data. So it's all official data provided through the customers only. We only help to generate that files. We trigger those files, it goes to the customer forwards it, and it gets uploaded on the platform.
Oh, okay. It is not automated where we'll have to take it from the client and then upload it. And then it throws you the kind of data.
We can set up an auto forwarding from client account and all that, but most of the client will not like to have those kind of, doing auto forwarding and all that. So we generally say that it's better you generate, once you click, it will be doing this platform. He will himself forward it because he also is very much interested to know how much is the value overall, where is capturing, where is he losing money, where can be improved. Because after all, as a finance professional, you are there to guide him better on all these kind of aspects only, right?
Correct. Okay, great. One question on, is there any brokerage reconciliation
Yes, yes. So we have a brokerage module also. That's again a value add module which you can opt for. So that allows you to read all your mutual fund brokerages and everything, and then it will sync with your customers, and then gives you customer wise, AMC wise, scheme wise brokerage breakout and breaker, so that you can easily see how actually you earned and where you earned and how much you earned.
Okay, I think you already answered this. I think NSE you are already working on, right? BSE
Yes,
currently.
NSE will come by this another 15 days time. NSE will going live on the platform.
Okay.
So you will have a choice of BSE or NSE. Madhusudan had a question. Only two RTS, CAMS and Carvino Franklin, because very simple. Franklin is no more an RTA. Franklin is now merged with CAMS. So that question, Mr. Madhusudan, is not there. Then I think Mr. Kannan had a question. Automatically you capture external folios by PAN? Yes, we automatically. It's a kind of automated because we only generate it for the PAN, but obviously the data only comes with the consent of the customer, so that you can't. There is a legal validation of that. So that takes care of that. And day-to-day data updation, yes, Mr. Madhusan, it will update automatically because it comes from the RTA feed. So I'm just reading on Mr. Sundarajan. I'm just probably it will just save faster. So I'm just reading. So Mr. Madhusan, I have a question. Do you have a branch in Chennai? No, we don't have a branch in Chennai. We are headquartered in Bangalore. But but you know, nowadays even within cities also, who is traveling? We are ourselves not traveling so much, and you know, a very restricted presence in office itself today. Most of them are working officially from here and there, so from their home only, because of a lot of restrictions. So it doesn't matter actually, because if you want to physically, meeting is almost kind of nowadays not required only. So Mr. Guru, just how do you join the platform? Just sign up on the platform and somebody will help and guide you. Mr. Natarajan says, any trial version? Yes, you can sign up on the platform. We'll set up everything. You can take a trial of that. So once you sign up and onboard, and you start using it, see the trial, and then you can make the payment. So no, Mr. Vivek has a question. Do I have to register? IFS have to register as insurance POS? No, they don't have to register as an insurance POS. So that's a great advantage. Because either you are a POS with already someone, or maybe having a direct insurance code. So this insurance earning, you can actually book in your family member name, or you can do like that. So this can be, that also can be additional advantage here. A lot of IFS do that in our case. They take the payouts in their family member's name and all that, and that saves them taxation and all that. So you can get that advantage. You don't have to register as an insurance policy. So that's a second advantage. You can continue to, because you can't be POS for more than one provider. So you must be already POS with them, or you already have, if you already have a code with the insurance agency, then again you can't be a POS or anything. So you can continue to follow with your insurance agency. Here you don't have to register as a POS. And here also, since you're not registering as a POS, you don't have to attend a training to sell insurance. So those situations, those things have been clearly handled in the platform. So that's the second advantage, and that's why people actually, work with us, because you get extra advantage. You are saving on taxation on additional payout earnings also. Otherwise, that would have directly come to your main and you can take in your family member name or whatever. So you can save their taxation on those earnings, and then they also take advantage. Like, you are not restricted. Suppose you have taken a code with a particular thing, or POS. In POS also, there are a lot of restrictions are there. You can't sell a policy above a certain value and all that. In this case, you have no restriction. You can sell any kind of policies, from as long as from a householder policy to this policy to a traditional policy to any kind of policy. Whatever policy you want to sell, from whichever company you want to sell. We have multiple options available, because we have also not enrolled with just one broker. We have multiple broker providers on our platform to ensure the best possible services to be provided. So we have ensured that you get the best possible payouts and the service from all these customers, from all these people. So Monexo P2P lending is not yet included. We are already working with 2 P2P lending providers to get included, but over a period, we plan to include all the options. You can choose which P2P lending you want to promote, because you may have your own choices. If you are interested in particular, if you have signed up with a platform, Simran, and you have signed up with a platform and you want Monexo P2P lending to be integrated in the platform, you can please send us. Once you sign up a platform, you are free. You are part of our family, and then you can send us your suggestions, and we implement your suggestions. You would have seen what people have written. So if you want Monex P2P lending, you sign up on the platform. We'll ensure that in due course, we will, if people show more interest on a particular platform, we take those as higher priority. So we are already working. We can include as many. We have no limitations on those kind of stuff. So I'm Mr. Anand. Did I miss your question? So let me read your question again. So orders go to client email from BSC or from your platform. Orders go to client email from our platform. So it does not have to go. BSC does not have to send anything. BSC only sends a payment link. So basically, your platform means if you have taken a white label, it will go your email ID. It becomes your platform. If you have taken a common label, also it comes from Fund Expert label, but it comes with your name. Like basically, it goes with your name. So it will say Shriram Anandra has like this, place the order and all that. It will go like that. So it goes like that, and BSC only sends a payment link, which if the customer has already made the payment on the platform, then that link is immaterial. But BSC just sends a link in case the customer has not made the payment. Customer can. Yeah, so payment link you can also send from the platform, or you can ask the client. Client also can get. You can also send from platform. You can copy from platform, send a link yourself. BSC also sends one payment link just to ensure that that is not missed. And the payment link carries your that link also says that so and so has placed the order, so your name will appear there also. Payment is actually inbuilt in the platform. If you see I didn't take a chance to say that. It's like an Amazon experience. You log in, you choose a product, put in the cart, sign out, make the payment online, everything. Yes, money goes everything directly to exchange. Don't worry about that. All money go to ICCL only, Indian Clearing Corporation in BSC case. So all money is always with BSC. Payment link is always BSC. We don't neither collect payment. Even if the payment link also we sent is BSC payment link only. We never collect any payment for any mutual. That is anyway regulation itself does not allow. So yes, don't worry. We are very much. We have 1,000+ IFAs and some of the largest names in the country using our platform. So you have to do 10 times thing. Yes. So you are all the brief is Mr. Madhav Kumar. All the brief is available on the website itself, fundexpertfintech.com. Whatever brief you need. The app, if you want, you just send me a WhatsApp on my number, which I said 831. I'll send you the brochure if you are looking for a brochure. And white label charges also written on the platform. But you just send what label you want. Do you need a white label app? Do you need a white label web? Do you need both? So there are different people who different. If you just send me your needs, I'll tell you the cost. Portfolio analytics, yeah, like Morningstar how provides. So we have a tie-up. We have a tie-up post investment detailed analytics, like this optional view, like different possibilities and all that. We have a tie-up with Engine. So Engine is a platform which is just like Morningstar. You can with one click you don't have to do anything. Engine automatically syncs up with the data. So if you sign up for our platform, you get a special pricing from Engine, and you can use Engine as a platform to develop all kind of portfolio analytics, comparison statements, scenarios, all kinds of interesting, detailed write-ups, thick portfolio analytics you can do. Mr. Shriram, just send me a WhatsApp. I'll send you exact name on the platform. Shriram, we have a tie-up with a portfolio analytics software company which gives you most in-depth, and you'll be surprised to see the kind of, and much cheaper than Morningstar. So you don't have to pay the cost of what Morningstar is. Yes, so that's what Mr. Madhusudan, we said that NSE, NF2 is only NSE platform. So that's what we are now integrating. Another 15 days, it will be live. So by the time you come on board, start using the platform, NSE will be live. Did I miss any? I think I've taken all the questions. I'll just go and check above. Did I miss any?
I think you broadly covered for it.
Mr. Kannan is asked. Mr. Kannan is saying that Franklin RT is going to camp. So I think I've answered all the questions, Mr. I see. Yeah, just send me. I'll just put my share screen and probably. Can you see my screen? I just send me a WhatsApp on this number, and so that I can send you. These are my contacts. Yeah, 831079124. Just send me a WhatsApp. Mention your IFA details, and I'll give you. Mention your ARN name, and then I will send you whatever details you're asking. Write a brochure, anything, whatever you need. Yeah. So 831079124. Just in case somebody didn't. So we have a very powerful portfolio analytics. It comes along with that, so you can use that. Those who need to build reporting, like, it's much more powerful than what Morningstar does and much more efficient. So
Great, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time and I think patiently explaining each and everything. So, friends, whoever wants to get in touch, I think we've already shared his number, so people can get in touch with them directly. Thank you so much, sir.
thank you.
Thank you. I think we can log out now. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you, sir. Bye. Good day.
thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye.